Children, it is a continuation of rational numbers, and let us continue the exercise 2.1. The third question is verify minus of minus x is equals to x for first one is x is equals to 11 by 15. Now you consider x is equals to 11 by 15, and now you consider minus of minus x. Minus of minus x, that is minus of minus x is 11 by 15, and you know that minus of minus into minus becomes plus, so it is 11 by 15 which is equals to x. Therefore you can say that minus of x is equals to x. Next, second one, x is equals to minus 13 by 17. Now again you consider minus of minus x, that is minus of here x is, you know that minus 13 by 17. X is minus 13 by 17. So you put the minus and the x value is minus 13 by 7. So it is minus of minus 13 by 7. Now you write minus outside, and if you open this bracket, it becomes minus of minus is plus 13 by 7. 13 by 17. 13 by 17. Then it is minus 13 by 17. That is equals to, x. Therefore you can say that minus of minus x is equals to x. Minus of minus x is equals to x. Next, here name the property under multiplication used in each of the following. And first one is minus 4 by 5 into 1 is equals to 1 into minus 4 by 5 is equals to minus 4 by 5. And here minus 4 by 5 into 1 is equals to minus 4 by 5, and also 1 into minus 4 by 5 is equals to minus 4 by 5. And what is 1 here? Here one property used is multiplicative identity is 1, and the other property is here commutative property. Here commutative property of multiplication. Right? First property here multiplicative identity 1, because multiplying minus 4 by 5 by 1 you will get minus 4 by 5 only. And next one here this is in the form of a into b is equals to b into a. So here it is commutative property of multiplication. Commutative property of multiplication. Next here minus 13 by 17 into minus 2 by 7 is equals to minus 2 by 7 into minus 13 by 17. Here it is also commutative property of multiplication, which is in the form of a into b is equals to b into a. So what you can write? Commutative property of multiplication. Commutative property of multiplication. Next, here it is minus 19 by 29 into 29 by minus 19, that is equals to 1. You know that here 1 is the multiplicative identity and 1 is the inverse of other, that is the reciprocal. Multiplicative inverse or reciprocal. That is the property is here 29 by minus 19 is the reciprocal of minus 19 by 29, or in the reverse also you can write, that is minus 19 by 29 is the reciprocal of 29 by minus 19, that also you can write. Next, multiply 6 by 13 by the reciprocal of minus 7 by 16. Here what? 6 by 13 into reciprocal of minus 7 by 16. 6 by 13 into reciprocal of minus 7 by 16, that is equals to what? 6 by 13 into the reciprocal of minus 7 by 16, that you know, that is 16 by minus 9, and the product what you will get here, that is 16 6 the, you know that 96, 13 7 the minus 91. So here the product is 96 by minus 91. Next, tell what property allows you to compute. Here you know that 1 by 3 into 6 into 4 by 3, as it is written 1 by 3 into 6 into 4 by 3. Why it is written like this way? Because you can cancel 3 and 6 here. So for the simplification, if you take 1 by 3 into 6, it becomes easy. But which property is used here? You know that here this is A into B into C. And here the bracket is for A into B. First 2 is having bracket into C. So here tell me which property is used. That is what? This is the associative property of multiplication. Which property is used here? Associative property of multiplication. Associative property of multiplication. Next, is 8 by 9 is 8 by 9 the multiplicative inverse of minus 1 1 by 8. Why or why not? First let us verify. You know, the multiplicative inverse of 8 by 9 is 9 by 8, that you know. Then here it is given that minus 1 by 8, that becomes, that is minus 9 by 8. And you know that here minus 9 by 8 is not the multiplicative inverse, because here the sign is changed. Here the sign is changed. So you write, first you write here, it is not the multiplicative inverse. First you write here minus 1 1 by 8 is equals to, you convert this into improper fraction, that is 8 ones are 8 and plus 1, that is 9, that becomes minus 9 by 8. And the multiplicative inverse of, so question is here, multiplicative inverse of so the question asked is here, it is minus 9 by 8 is, that you know, minus 8 by 9 or 8 by minus 9. This also you can write. But here what they said, 8 by 9 is 8 by 9 the multiplicative inverse. So what you can answer here? Here you can say that 8 by 9 is not the multiplicative inverse of minus 1 1 by 8. Therefore, you can write 8 by 9 is not the multiplicative inverse of 9 by minus 9 by 8, that is minus 1 by 8. Because here what happened? The sign is changed. For multiplicative inverse, the sign will not change. Sign remains as it is, but here there is an exchange of numerator and denominator. So in the right bracket you write next. Is 0.3 the multiplicative inverse of 3 1 by 3? Why or not? Here question is 0.3 the multiplicative inverse of 3 1 by 3 or not? First you write here 0.3 means in the fraction form you can write that is 3 by 10. And 3 1 by 3 you can write in the improper fraction form, that is 3 3 is 9, 9 plus 1, 10 by 3. And you know that 3 by 10 is the multiplicative inverse of 10 by 3, that you can write 3 by 10 is the multiplicative inverse of 10 by 3. Therefore, what we can say? Therefore, 0.3 is the multiplicative inverse of 3 1 by 3. Now here there is a question in the 10th main. Write first one, the rational number that does not have a reciprocal. Already it is said that only one rational number is there which is not having reciprocal. You know that is 0. 0 is the rational number that does not have a reciprocal. You write the answer here. Next, second question, the rational numbers that are equal to their reciprocals. You know that there are two rational numbers which are equals to reciprocals 1 and minus 1, because you know that reciprocal of 1 is 1 and reciprocal of minus 1 is minus 1. Therefore, 1 is the number having its reciprocal 1, minus 1 is also having its reciprocal minus 1. The rational numbers that are equal to the reciprocals are 1 and minus 1. There are two rational numbers. The next one is the rational number that is equal to its negative. You know that here negative of a rational number means the sign changes, and equal to its means here only one is there, that is 0. 0 is the rational number that is equal to its negative. Fill in the blanks. First one is 0 has dash reciprocal. You know that 0 is not having reciprocal. That is the only one rational number which is not having reciprocal. Therefore, what you can write here? 0 has no reciprocal. And second one, the numbers dash and dash are their own reciprocals. That is already discussed. So, which numbers? The numbers 1 and minus 1. You know that reciprocal of 1 is 1. The reciprocal of minus 1 is also minus 1. Therefore, the numbers what you have to write here, 1 and minus 1 are their own reciprocals. Here you write 1 and minus 1. Here you write 0. Next, the reciprocal of minus 5 is, you know that reciprocal of minus 5 is 1 by minus 5 you can write, or also you can write minus 1 by 5. And while writing the reciprocal, the sign will not change, only the numerator and denominator changes here, that exchanges here. Reciprocals of reciprocal of 1 by x, where x is not equals to 0, that you know, that is x only. X, or you can write also x by 1. X is nothing but x by 1. Then the product of two rational number is always, you know that the product of two rational number is always a rational number. Always a rational number. Next, the reciprocal of positive rational number is, the reciprocal of positive rational number is always positive. Reciprocal of positive rational number is positive rational number.